This is absolutely insane. Have you heard of Runway AI? Runway AI takes either text prompts or even video and turns them into incredible animations thanks to AI. Lifelike video here, guys. Now, a couple nights ago, Silent Hill 2, the game, was released, and I found this video of a guy who took scenes from Silent Hill 2 and pumped them into Runway AI to turn it from video game quality to ultra-realistic video. Check this out. Here's Runway AI, very simple system. You go onto the site, you say describe a video, animated image, you can pump an image in there, it'll animate it, you could type a video, put a video in there and give it a style, and it'll actually render it in that kind of aspect. Here's a couple samples from their own website. Here's a woman that was originally just a picture. That's a very cool one. Here's an image of a spaceship in space. Here's a random chair in a desert. Well, check out this Silent Hill 2 video of this guy who actually put game footage through into Runway AI. This is absolutely insane. Look on the left, you'll see the actual original footage, and then you'll see what Runway AI did with it on the right side. On the bottom corner, sorry, you'll see the actual original, and then you'll see behind it what Runway AI did. This is absolutely nuts. Look at the realism. Look at the movement of the hands. You have got game footage, which on its own looked really, really good, but look what Runway did with it. Look at the actual features on that guy's face. The hair, the actual lighting effects. Look at that. He's looking in the mirror, so it actually racked focus there. This is a guy in a washroom. Oh my God, look at the original on the bottom corner, and look what it did on the right. This is absolutely insane. Wow. All done with AI. Just basic prompting, and you get this super ultra realistic, gritty, dark video out of just video game footage. I cannot imagine what people are going to do. Check this scene here. Look, you see an old pamphlet on the pole, and you see the wind rustling. Oh my God, this is absolutely nuts. Take a look at this. This is what Runway is doing now. This is what AI can do today. When they talk about filmmaking and using AI in filmmaking, this is going to be nuts. Look at the smoke. Look at the details on the car. This is the game footage, and now look at the actual ultra realism. The hair is moving when he's jumping. Look at the details in the car, in the woods. Oh my God, this is absolutely nuts. Game footage, and now the actual, it created the whole fence. This is so cool. Oh, there's some dialogue here too. Oh my God, there's a tombstone, and actually was able to bring the moss onto the tombstone. You see the realism in the guy's hair. You see the realism in her hair. It changed her hair color. That's insane. Look at the game footage. The game footage, mouth isn't even moving. And the real footage, oh my God. This is nuts, guys. This is absolutely nuts. Look at the cemetery scene, before and after. Wow. Look how real that looks. I mean, it aged the guy a bit. It aged both of them, actually. Not sure why they're that old. Oh my God, this is absolutely cool. If you haven't played with Runway AI, check out Runway now. It's a very, very cool platform. You can buy some credits, you can do some stuff for free, but this is going to change the game in way which people are using prompts to turn into videos. Very, very cool stuff. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe below. We do stuff like this all the time. Thanks for watching.